Hello students, today we are going to solve a question of coordinate geometry. The question is, plot the points A, B, C and D on the graph paper, join them in order and identify the figures of formed. Also write the coordinates at the point of intersection of AC with y-axis. So what we have to do is, first of all we have to plot all these points and then join them, and we have to identify the figure, what type of figure it is. So let's start with the first point, that is A. See, this is the ordered pair. As I told you in my previous session, that it is written in the form of a comma b, where a represents x coordinate and b represents y coordinate. So minus 2 is x coordinate. This horizontal axis is x axis and this vertical axis is y-axis. So we will find the value minus 2 from origin. See, this is the origin. Left side values are negative and right side values are positive of x-axis. Similarly, the values that are upwards, that are positive y-axis, and downwards, that is y dash, that is negative y-axis. So we have to plot minus 2 minus 2. See here, from origin we will move towards this side up to minus 2. Okay, so I will make a point. See here, 0, then minus 1 and minus 2. So we will start from here, origin, and we will move towards minus 2. That is minus 2. So you have to mark a point here. Then where is at y-axis, where is minus 2? See, from origin again we will start and we will mark a point at minus 2. Here it is. Now we have to extend these lines towards each other and we have to mark the point of intersection. See, this is the point of intersection. Okay, so we have named point as A. Since this is automatic process, students, so these labeling is done automatically. At last I will show you that this is point A. I hope you understand what I have done here. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to now label this point as A and write its coordinate. So now, as you see, that I have named this coordinate as A coordinate. And what is the value of A coordinate? Minus A point, sorry, minus 2 comma minus 2. So here X coordinate is minus 2 and Y coordinate is also minus 2. So we have marked both the intersection point of both these point at here E. Now we will move towards our next point, that is B. So what are the x coordinate? 4 and y coordinate is minus 2. So we will move towards point 4. Where is point 4? See, from origin it is here. See, we will mark it here, 4. Now where is minus 2? We will move from origin again towards minus 2 is downwards. So we will come here. Okay, minus 2. Now we have to extend this line until we get the intersection point. So this is the intersection point of 4 and minus 2. So we will again name this coordinate as B coordinate, B point, and its coordinates are 4 comma minus 2. So see, we have already named this point as B, and what are its coordinates? 4 comma minus 2. Now we will move towards point C. What are its coordinates? 8 comma 3. So first we will move towards x-axis where the value 8 is there, and afterwards we will move towards y-axis, that is 3. So where is 8? This is x-axis, this is 8, and where is 3? At y-axis it is upwards. So we will mark here as 3. Now we will extend both these lines, and where these lines intersect each other we will mark the point C. Okay. Since these are automatic functions are there, so they are labeling automatically. Afterwards I will change it into point C. So this is the point C, and what is the value of C is 8 comma 3. So this is the point C here, and what are its coordinates? 8 comma 3. Now only one point is left, that is D, and what are the coordinates? X coordinate is minus 3 and y coordinate is 3. So we will move towards x coordinate. Where is minus 3? This one. And where is 3? Upwards. So let's mark here. From origin we are going towards minus 3, that is this line. Mark it here. Then from y-axis, from origin towards y-axis, what is 3? This one. Now moving towards both sides where these points intersect each other, we will mark a point. Okay. So the intersection point is point D, and its coordinates are minus 3 comma 3. So we have plotted all the points A, B, C and D as suggested in the question. Plot the point. The first line we have already done. So second line is join them in order. In order means we have to join like this: AB, then BC, then CD and DA to obtain a figure, and then we have to identify what type of figure it is. So let's join AB, then BC, CD and AD. So let's see what figure we received while joining these 4 points. So now let's join these all AB. So this is where AB, then BC, okay, and then CD and then DE. So what do you think, what type of figure it is? Since two parallel lines are there and two non-parallel lines are there. So this figure is a form of trapezium. It is a quadrilateral, and which type of quadrilateral it is? It is a trapezium. It satisfies the property of trapezium that two parallel lines are there and two non-parallel lines are there. Okay, now we will darken this figure so that we can easily understood what is this area. So the shaded region is the quadrilateral. So this is the quadrilateral. Now what we have to do is also write the coordinates of the point of intersection of AC with y-axis. So we have to join AC. Okay. So let's join AC. Here it is. Okay. Now we have joined AC, and what is required? Also write the coordinates of the point of intersection of AC with y-axis. This is y-axis, and where it is intersecting? At this point, C. Okay, so we will mark a point here where line AC intersects with y-axis. So this is the point, and we will name it a point. And what are the coordinates of this point? See, what is the value of this line? C. This is y-axis. So what is the y coordinate? Minus 1 is there. And what is the x coordinate? Yes, tell me. Come on. I have already told you. Yes, since it lies on y-axis, so that means x coordinate is 0. So what are the coordinates of this point? We will label it as E 0, minus 1. So this is the trapezium figure. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.